Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to install themes into the OpenLP church presentation software. If you don't know what OpenLP is, it is a free church presentation software that you can use for your church that will help you display songs, display verses, church sermon outlines, all kinds of different things. It's a great presentation software and it is free. And I'm not affiliated with them, but I like them a lot. So I wanted to show you a little bit of how to use it a little bit better for your church. If you go to OpenLP, the application, on the, not the left, but the right, on the right, you'll see a theme manager. The theme manager is kind of, it lets you put in different themes based on whatever you want to display. For example, right now I have some songs that we use. These are the themes that we use for my English service and the themes that we use for a Japanese service to display songs. We have a specific theme for that. We also have like different themes for like just for when I want to display the title of my sermon. I have a theme for that. For the Lord's Supper, if I want to use if we're doing a Lord's Supper, I have a specific theme that I can use for that to display verses and to display specific songs that we may use for that. So it's a very helpful thing. It's very helpful. Like if you're doing sermon series and you want to display your verses that line up with specific themes that specific pictures or images that help display the verses in that theme. It's really helpful. And so I want to show you a little bit how to use that, okay? Right here, you'll have this thing called import themes. Now you can get themes. One of the ways, I've downloaded a couple of themes. One of them is called the Bible. These are just themes that I made, and one is called a Bible for my English, for displaying my Bible in English, and one for displaying the Bible in Japanese. So here are two themes that I've downloaded, and we're going to install these into the OpenLP application. So in the theme manager, right here, you'll have an export theme, and then you'll have an import a theme. Click this import a theme, and then go to your downloads folder, and you can just double click it, and it will install right there. Again, I'll do the same thing for Japanese. And that's it. That's all there is to it. A couple of things I want you to be aware of, okay? If you go to the edit theme, there's a couple of things that tells you about the theme, but also if there are any particular fonts that theme uses, it's very helpful to install those fonts into your computer. Typically, not always, but a lot of times they will. People will, with these theme packs, will be a place that you can download or a source that you can use for where they get the fonts for it. So that would be something that would be helpful to use too. Otherwise, it may not look exactly like what the image looks like. All right. And so also the other thing is this. Let's say you want to use these themes for your specific Bible or for your specific song. Let me show you how real quick to make those the default themes for your specific songs or Bibles. Okay, I'm just gonna pick some random song. Here we go. Here's a random song. In here you have authors. Let me show you what I just did there, because I went way too fast. Right click, edit on whatever song it is. On theme, copyright on the top tab on theme, you can change your theme to whichever theme you want. So for my songs, I just pick English, and then I save it. So anytime this song is played, regardless of what theme may be a default theme here, this will display the song in my English song theme, okay? And you can also do this with your Bibles. Now, how you do it for Bibles is a little bit different. You go to Settings, Configure OpenLP. Settings, Configure OpenLP. Then you go to your Bibles, and then you go to Bible theme. And here you can choose which Bible theme you want to use. I use actually different themes for mine because my English theme uses a specific English font that looks right, and my Japanese Bible uses a Japanese font that is that works best for displaying my verses in Japanese. So same for you. You can just pick whichever theme you want. And then when you use your themes, I'm just going to pick, I think this is my Bible. If I go to John 3 and then 16, it will automatically display this Bible EN theme. So when I drag it into my folder, I don't have to do any theme editing. I don't have to do any of that. It just automatically displays my verses in the theme that I want for that particular Bible. Hope that makes sense to you. All right, that's the way you import themes into OpenLP, and you can create your own. You can do all kinds of fun stuff with themes to make your life a little bit easier for preparing for Sunday. Hope that helps. We'll see you in the next video.